Hey fish people, welcome back to the channel. Coming at you with another video today. This time we're going to be going over a quick bullet point beta care guide for beta fish. For those of you that can't sit down and watch a full long video. So this is going to answer some questions about how to keep beta fish. Common questions you get asked: tank size, food, temperatures, stuff like that. And we're going to do a real quick one. Get into this for everybody. Hope you enjoy it. So betta fish are probably one of the most popular fish in the fish keeping hobby, but also one of the most mistreated in my opinion. Though I would say over the last 5 years or so, people have slowly begun to transition away from homing them in smaller objects like flower pots, vases, things of that nature that are just in general too small for them. Now, just because these fish in the wild come from waterways that have a tendency to dry up or be smaller volume of water overall does not mean they should be housed this way in our home aquariums. Bettas should really be kept in a tank no smaller than 5 gallons. Now, this is for a couple reasons. It'll provide them ample swim space for exercise. It'll also allow the fish keeper a slight window of error with regards to water conditions, and it will enable you to add some decor and other things that will make the betta happier overall. Now, bettas are native to warmer areas of the world, Thailand, and areas in Asia. So their tank temperature, you're going to want to keep it between 74 to 82. I personally prefer to keep mine at 78 to 80 for all of my betta tanks. While it can also take a wide pH range of 6 to 8 pH, I keep mine in more acidic water of 6 to 6.5, and then add botanicals to my water as well. Things like Indian on leaves, catappa leaves, elder cones, things of that nature to help simulate where they're normally from in the wild. Something that might surprise a lot of people is that bettas are somewhat sensitive to light, so they actually prefer a lower lit tank than other fish might. Now that we talked about lights a little bit there, let's mention plants. So yes, bettas will like live plants, and that will also help water conditions stay slightly better in your smaller tanks. Personally, I find Anubias to be a great betta plant. It's a super easy one to take care of. Gives the bettas cover from light. It'll also give them a little resting spot. And they also happen to like a lower light anyway. So to me, it's a perfect pairing for a betta fish. Tank mates? Yes, you can keep tank mates with your betta fish. And they're not going to kill them if you use the right kinds. Now, in a 5-gallon tank, I would say keep your betta with nothing else. Just keep the betta fish by itself. 5 gallons is a great size just for people starting out that want to keep a betta. It's also going to, without the tank mates, you can keep your water cleaner. If you keep them in a slightly bigger tank, you can keep them with things like tetras, rasboras. Those are safe bets for beginners to keep them. Harlequin rasboras are going to be a safe bet. Bloodfin tetras, serpe tetras, things like that are going to be safe bets for new time keepers of betta fish. But I would say 10 gallons for those people that want to keep those with them. Now, decor-wise, they're going to like places that they can get in. So rocks and cave structures. Things like the floating betta log that you can get from keepfishkeeping.com. I've never used one before. I got one, tried it out. This fish ended up loving it, so I'm very glad I bought one. Same goes for the stick-on leaves. If you don't want live plants, you can get a stick-on Anubias leaf, stick-on mirror. It's just different ways to get your betta interactive with the tank and help them exercise a little bit and have a place to relax. Food-wise, bettas are more of a carnivorous fish than other fish that are more omnivore in nature for our tank. In nature, they're going to be eating foods that are high proteins, lots of bugs and small crustaceans, things of that nature. So when it comes to feeding them, a Hikari micro pellet, betta pellet, a extreme betta pellet, an extreme flake food like the community crave or krill food, or you can go with a bug bite betta flake as well. I've used all of these and my bettas love them. You can also add in some kind of a freeze-dried bloodworm, Daphnia, or tube fix as well in that mix too. As long as you provide your betta with a nice tank, some hiding places, and resting areas, feed them a good quality food, you can have them upwards of 5 years, depending on where you get them and how old they were when you got them. So if you're getting them straight from a breeder and you know they're 6 months old, you're going to have these fish 3, 4, 5 years. If you get them from Petco, PetSmart, you don't know, you can have them for 6 months, a year, a while. Mine currently I've had for 3 years, and he's still going, and I got him from PetSmart. So I hope this quick guide to keeping a betta fish helps you if you're pressed for time and can sit through a full 20-minute video on how to keep them. So best of luck with your betta fish. As always, thank you all so much for watching the video. If you're new here and find yourself coming back on the regular, maybe think about hitting that sub button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your betta keeping stories. And until next time, I will see you guys in another video.